Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, dual exhaust, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, auxiliary audio input. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.